Men, if you're over 40 and you've been dealing with low energy, a soft midsection, your stomach area, poor sleep, weak erections, or maybe you've been told that you're pre-diabetic or you got full onset type 2. Listen, first of all, it's your diet, right? It has been your diet all along. And we could change that. If you're watching this video, you probably can catch it in time. That's great. That's the good news. And it's not just about blood sugar, right? It's not just about blood sugar. It's about your manhood. Diabetes, pre-diabetes is one of the most silent, destructive forces behind low testosterone, prostate inflammation, erectile dysfunction, and even emotional burnout. And most men over 40 are in some stage of this due to diet. That's the reality. Here's the truth no one's telling you. You can start reversing type 2 diabetes naturally. And it starts with just 2 moves. I'm going to give you 2 moves right now. No soda. Cut out all liquid sugar out of your diet. No soda, no fruit juice, no frappe, none of that stuff from Starbucks, no sweet tea, no healthy smoothies, none of that stuff. They spike your insulin. Stop putting sugar in your coffee. You're going to put sugar in your coffee? A half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. All right? Go that stuff is just destroying your testosterone and enlarging your prostate. You know what? Drink water. Water with a pinch of sea salt, or water with some lemon juice or cinnamon tea. No sugar, no honey. This will start to detox your body and reset your hormones, rebalance your cells. Second, after every meal, walk 10, 15 minutes. Every meal, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. All right? Or some squats. This will tell your body, hey, use the sugar for fuel. Don't store it as fat. This lowers your glucose levels, reduces inflammation, unlocks the nitric oxide at that blood flow. Get that blood flow. That's what you got to do. That's the starting point right there. You do this for 2 weeks, you'll see a dramatic difference in your blood sugar, and your body will start to shift and change. Your prostate will start to calm down. You'll feel your strength returning. This isn't just about diabetes. It's about reclaiming your manhood, reclaiming your whole vitality, reclaiming your drive. Start with these 2 things right now, and we're going to continue. I'm going to continue to give you more content about this. I'm getting a lot of questions in my comments and DMs, and so I need to address this because I didn't realize that this is a big, big thing. A lot of men are going through this, and so I'm going to help you with the solutions. Follow for more tips. Follow for more men's health tips. And share this with a brother who needs to hear it.